Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about calculus. Calculus, it has two parts. One is differentiation and another is integration. I will discuss which is needed in your physics chapter, class 11 and 12. So, in calculus, this is a very vast topic. I will only discuss which portion you needed in physics for class 11 and 12. Today I am discussing about differentiation. Differentiation means to make it small portion, differentiate. And so calculus two part, differentiation and integration. Today I am discussing about differentiation which is needed in your class 11 and 12 physics. So this formula you have to memorize. You have to memorize this formula, otherwise you cannot do. Like this way, a plus b whole square formula needed if you want to express 2x plus 3 whole square equal to how much. So you need a plus b whole square formula. Like this way, you have to memorize this formula first and then you can easily explain the different calculus which are needed in the physics, which are used in the physics. Here you see d by dx of c. C means constant. D by dx of c is 0. Differentiation of constant term is 0, like this way. This means differentiation of c with respect to x. Differentiation of c with respect to x. So d by dx of, example, d by dx of suppose 5. What will be this? This is equal to 0. D by dx of 5 equal to 0 because 5 is constant and we have got differentiation of constant term is 0. So this is 0. Now second one, that you see d by dx of x equal to 1. That means if there is a variable and with this variable you are differentiating here, then its term will be 0. D by dx of x equal to 0. D by this is equal to 1. This is also equal to 1. D t equal to 1. This is this. Here you see this and this are same. This and this are same. Clear? Now you see d by dx of cu. C is constant, u is another variable. U is variable, not constant. C is constant. Then constant will come out and you have to differentiate this with respect to x. Constant will come out. Here constant is c, so it come out and differentiate c with respect to x, so du by dx. Next you see, this is very important formula, it will be used maximum time. D by dx of x to the power n. X to the power n. Then what you are getting? First n is coming and then power of n is power of x is decreased by 1. Like this way, you see this example. Say d by dx of x3. So you see like this, x is x, n is 3. So what we have to write? First you have to write the power. So power is 3, then power decreased by 1. This one you see, first power and then power decreased by 1. Power decreased by 1. So this is 3x square. Another one you see, d by dx of x to the power 10. So by this formula, first power will come, so 10, then x to the power will decrease by 1. So 10 x to the power 9. Clear? Next you see d by dx of u to the power n. This and this are similar, but here this and this are same variable. Here this is another variable. So how you can do this? First power will come and then power decrease by 1, and then you have to differentiate this. Like this way you see. Suppose d by dx of x plus 3 to the power 7. Clear? So this is your u. This is your u. So u to the power 7. How you have written? First power. So you write the power 7. Then what you have to do? U to the power n minus 1. That means its power will decrease by 1. That means x plus 3 to the power 7 minus 1. Then differentiation of u. That means ki d by dx of u means x plus 3. So x plus 3 to the power 6. 7 x plus 3 to the power 6. Then you have to differentiate this. Differentiate this means ki differentiation of this and differentiation of this. So what we are getting? This can be written as d by dx of x. Differentiation of x. Then what is the sign? Plus. So plus d by dx of 3. So what we are getting? 7x plus 3 to the power 6 into the, what is this? You see, d by dx of x is 1. So this is 1. So this is 1 plus d by dx of constant term. D by dx of constant term is 0. So this is 0. So what is? This is only 1. So you can write 7x to the power x plus 3 to the power 6. This is the answer. What you have written? Here x plus 3 is another variable which is represented by u. And by this formula, first you have to write the power. It is 7 and then power is decreased by 1. So x plus 3 to the power 7 minus 1. Then differentiation of u. U means x plus 3. This. So this is, and differentiation of x plus differentiation of 3. This is 1 and differentiation of constant term is 0. So this is this. Okay. Then d by dx of uv. This is, first you see, u is taken constant, then differentiation of v, and then v is taken constant, differentiation of u. That means if one is taken as constant, then you have to differentiate it with respect to other. And then second time, which is taken constant, it will be differentiated, other will be constant. So u taken constant, differentiation of this, then v taken constant, differentiation of u. I will give the example a little later. You see, I will give the example of this. Next, d by dx of e to the power x is e to the power x, no change. D by dx of ax plus b to the power n. This is like this way. Same to same. First, you see there is an expression and this is an expression. First power come, then expression to the power n minus 1. So expression to the power 7 minus 1. Then differentiation of this expression. So this and this same to same. D by dx of log x is 1 by x. Log x is 1 by x. Then d by dx of sin x. Sin x differentiation is cos x. Sin x differentiation is cos x. And sin mx, suppose d by dx of sin x equal to cos x. Okay, लेकिन d by dx of sin mx, suppose sin 3x, then how you have to return? You see, it is written first m will come first. Here m means 3, so 3 will come first. Then differentiation, sin means cos, so cos 3x, cos mx, so sin mx means cos mx, and m is taken first. So this sin x is cos x, sin mx is m cos mx. Here m is 3, so 3 cos 3x. Same to same, this d by dx of cos x is minus sin x, but d by dx of cos mx, cos say 5x, so this is m, this is your m, so how this formula? Minus m, so minus 5, then cos is sin mx, mx means 5x, so m sin mx, here m is 5, so minus 5 sin 5x. Then this is direct, you will get direct differentiation. D by dx of tan x is x square x, and d by dx of sin u means another variable, not x. Here you see d by dx of cos x, here x, but here x, here u. Then what we, sin means cos, then you have to differentiate this, d by dx of u. First you have got sin x means cos x, then differentiation of this. Clear? I am giving an example of this and this, you see. First you see this, its differentiation. Suppose d by dx of e to the power x sin x. So here there is two terms. So this is u, this is v, u, v. So first u is taken constant. So u means e to the power x. Then differentiation of this, d by dx of sin x plus, then v is fixed, this is fixed, so sin x is fixed, d by dx of e to the power x. Clear? First this is taken u, this is v, this is u, this is v, u d by dx of v, then v d by dx of u. So this is taken u, this is your v. So e to the power x sin differentiation cos x plus sin x, its differentiation is same, e to the power x. If you arrange e to the power x cos x plus e to the power x sin x, this. Clear? You see another example. D by dx of, say, d by dx of x square cos x. So this is your u, this is your v. So what is the formula? First taken, one is constant, x square constant, differentiation of d by dx of cos x. Then this is taken constant, cos x, d by dx of x square. So what is the differentiation of cos x? You see, cos x equal to minus sin x. So x square, and this will be minus sin x plus cos x into, what is the differentiation of this? By this formula, you see, this formula. First n, here n is 2, then n minus 1 means 2 minus 1. So this is minus x square sin x plus, it is taken first, 2x, 2 minus 1 means x, 2x cos of x. Okay. You take this example. Example of this. Suppose y equal to a sin omega t. You differentiate this with respect to t. So what will be? This side will be dy by dt and this side will be d by dt of a sin omega t, and a is constant, so it is coming out sin mx, so this is omega cos of omega t. This is actually this type. Another example you see, sin, suppose this sin 2 pi by lambda Vt minus x, and it is differentiated with respect to say t. So dy by dt equal to d by dt of whole term a sin 2 pi by lambda Vt minus x. So this is a is taken constant, a coming out, and differentiation of sin x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. So this is cos 2 pi by lambda Vt minus x. Then again you have to differentiate this, okay, d by dx. So into d by dt of Vt minus x. Clear? So this is a cos 2 pi by lambda Vt minus x into differentiate this d by dt of Vt minus d by dt of x. So this is a cos 2 pi by lambda Vt minus x, and differentiation of this like this way, Cu. So constant will come first, then its differentiation. So this will be V d by dt of t. D by dt of t means 1. This is 1 minus this is t. So differentiation of constant, so this is 0, and so what we are getting, I have missed a term here. Angle was 2 pi by lambda, it was 2 pi by lambda. So you take 2 pi by lambda common here. So 2 pi by this one, and it is taken first, a into 2 pi v by lambda cos of 2 pi by lambda Vt minus x. So you have to practice this. First you differentiate this, differentiation of cos, sin means cos, and then differentiation of this whole term. So d by dt of whole term, and 2 pi by lambda is constant taken out. So differentiation of this plus minus differentiation of this, and differentiation of this means v d by dt of t. D by dt of t means 1. So v. So 2 pi by lambda into v minus d by dt of x means 0. So what we are getting? This is taken first. A 2 pi v by lambda cos of 2 pi by lambda vt minus x. Okay? And I will discuss another topic in differentiation. By differentiation, I will calculate velocity, acceleration, like this. These are very important topics. Next day I will discuss. From using differentiation, we will calculate velocity and acceleration from an expression. Okay? Bye.